I can smell it. I can smell melted plastic.
What are you gonna do? Leave the server or?
No, I'm just gonna go.
Oh, okay, makes sense. Is anyone gonna lead or what is gonna happen?
I'm leading.
Okay.
I'm staying up.
What specs do you have, Gustav? Oh yeah, that's actually pretty good. I have i9 10850K and 32 GB RAM and like 2060 Super. But I want a 3070 or like a 3080, but I cannot find it. I drive an M4, you drive a Ferrari, shut the fuck up.
Well, yeah. Ah, fuck, go behind me again. Give you a
Okay, get over here.
Gustav, you and I are gonna have a serious conversation about how much the cost of the server.
Huh?
You and I are gonna have a serious conversation about how much the cost of the server. This is not fun.
I think there's just too many objects. I don't know. Objects kill CPU performance.
LA Canyons is perfect fine for that. No.
Yeah, it's well, I mean it's not even that highly detailed because of, you know, texture and
It's
shit.
just a big ass long road. Why is there constantly coming smoke out of my car? Please don't.
Drive faster, you dog.
I'm trying to get facility.
Go after this cruise guys. Motion track day?
What? Yeah, actually, yes. Actually, yes. No slicer. I want to beat the fuck out of Simon on no slicer.
Fuck you.
Yes, no moving.
It's way too big.
This is way too big.
Did it yesterday and
What?
did a motion track day.
Yeah, with the lawnmower, no?
Yeah, and
On Monza for Transit.
yeah, you
Yeah.
How much grip does that fucking car have?
Which one? It's a mad car, man. It's really good.
Oh my god.
I like how funny, I like me and Noah just like, fuck.
Sorry. What's not?
Massive collision. Nobody saw it.
Chipman, no to drive.
No you. Let me overtake your ass, man.
That one
No,
fight
not
day
what-
is shit.
Don't cry, you dog!
Karma's a bitch boy. Fuck! Last one, Simon.
I made it, it's fine. No. Fuck. I got it. No! Stay behind me, you fool.
Alright, maybe slow down guys.
Daddy, I can't hear you.
Please.
I can't hear you.
Alright, come over here.
Where are you going?
I have no clue. Just, you know, straight line.
What are you doing? Jesus Christ. Are you going on your controller. Why are you slugging it? What are you doing?
I don't know, man. I'm
What are you
crashing.
Oh, dude. What's the wreck in game anyway?
Because I haven't changed it yet. It was from Rick and Morty. Okay, it's-
Sorry, Legion. You teleported in front of me, I don't know. I'm very sorry.
Whoa, Timon. Oh, fuck. God damn it.
Someone drove down the cliff.
Nice.
He was
I
the
think
only other
Officer,
German guy I saw on the server.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. No, I didn't drive off the cliff. It's fine. I got it.
I need to get the fuck out of here. My PC's dying.
Wait, we parking up or?
Definitely not parking up. My PC's dying.
I need to catch you.
Oh wait, fuck, you're right behind me! Gustav, left or straight?
Oh god.
Mate, we've been on this
Oh,
for 2 hours.
sorry, Hyper, sorry.
Watch out guys, we're breaking up here. Tim, what are you doing? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Oh, we're stopping or whatever. Oh, what the fuck?
That's what I'm saying. Where are you going?
I'm stuck in an invisible wall. That's.
Yeah, stuck.
No, I'm not stuck. I made it out. I drove in an invisible wall, which is weird. Now I have to play catch up to fucking find you.
Slow down a bit, Neil.
What?
Slow down a bit.
I'm not slowing down, like literally, my PC will burn.
That's okay.
Okay, fine, I'll stop. I guess I'm gonna have to disable my mirrors then. Gustav, the weather settings and the time of day you've put into the game does not exactly make it any better with the sunset.
No, it's nice. It's actually, it looks really fucking good.
Really good, but it's
Yeah, it
kind of
looks-
my FPS. Oh, maybe I should just switch from a 4K PP filter to a normal one. Ah, fuck! I can't see shit. Okay, sorry guys. I got blinded by the sun. I'm sorry.
Whoops.
Sorry. Holy shit. That was fun.
And now I'm in front of you.
Where are you?
In front of you.
Ah, fuck. Watch out, we took my Ferrari coming through. Fuck, I crashed.
I think we would spin out like way less if we didn't make this a race, but competition is high.
What?
Yeah. Don't tease me like this. Can't even see you in my mirror, okay? Which one are you driving? The F-Type. It's from Derek, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good car, but he left, like, I think Derek left forever, from what I know. I really like his Golf. Yeah. Physics of that car is really good.
So please remind me that from now on I'm always driving my super fast, because this thing is slow as fuck.
Super fast.
Yo, I'm.
Simon, are you over here?
Yeah.
Oh, this is about 15 people loading up the
I'm almost at. Wait, what? Did it just like. I don't know. I'm in the tunnel now. In like the tiny tunnel. I love this map. It's so fucking nice. You can drive so fast in the canyons. Is this the VIP section of the map?
I don't think so.
Maybe.
I don't know. I have VIP, but I really don't know what the fuck it contains.
Now.
No, I had it before too. No, I got it myself, but I didn't. Okay, wait.
Pretty sure you didn't have the VIP.
I got it some illicit way, but not through you, I think. And I crashed my car. And why the fuck did you leave? Oh, okay. So you're feeling.
the only car that I'm really good at driving.
Okay, so you feel so incompetent that you need like 1,000 horse to like catch up to me.
We only have like 600. So. 50, I think. No, I just like.
Why don't I believe a single word of that?
I don't know, it literally says it.
I don't know, how much does the M4 have? Like 400?
Like 400? 20-ish? 450 maybe? 400 to the wrist? 90 to the wrist? I don't know.
No, fair enough.
The Ferrari has like 420 wrist. It's not more. 560.
I really don't know where the fuck you guys are. I'm just gonna wait.
Let's go back. I'm parked next to a 720 inside my exhaust.
Yo, let's. Does anyone? Maybe you can put my 488 and Largo in the car list too. As long as it stays in the server. That's Kuno's. It has Kuno's figure too.
Fuck! I forgot about one thing.
What?
The Supra is a manual.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now I have to switch my whole setup back to manual. See you guys in 5 minutes when I'm done on Strix.
Should we do anything else?
No, not now. Do one more run with the cruise. Yeah, we do back there in like 45 minutes. 30 minutes maybe?